Hey everyone, welcome back to Crypto Empire, where we dominate the crypto market. My name is Connor. In this video, I will cover the breaking news that BlackRock and Microsoft have officially partnered up to launch a $30 billion AI infrastructure fund to build out data centers and energy sources. So what does this mean for AI crypto projects, and which ones should you have your eyes on? I'll cover that in this video, so let's get into it. So here is the breaking news that Microsoft and BlackRock will be launching a $30 billion fund for AI infrastructure, and they do plan to build data centers and energy projects. So AI models, especially those for deep learning and large-scale data processing, require substantial computational power, leading to higher energy consumption. This is the number one need for AI, computational power. There are many crypto projects that are building out ways to fulfill these needs. And if you look at the overall market cap of all the AI coins in crypto, it's only $23.5 billion. Okay, so that means Microsoft and BlackRock's new fund is already higher than the overall market cap of all of the AI projects in crypto. Did somebody say massively mispriced assets here in the crypto market? Anyways, we'll get into some of these mispriced assets that I believe have a very high potential to increase substantially in price this cycle, Q1 next year, Q4 this year. However, let's keep on covering this article for now. All right, so the investment vehicle will be known as the Global AI Infrastructure Investment Partnership, and it aims to help enhance AI supply chains and energy sourcing, according to BlackRock and Microsoft. All right, so the fund will mobilize up to $100 billion in total investment, that which went from 30 billion to 100 billion when including debt financing, according to the companies. All right, and the investments will be in the United States and the remainder in its partner countries. So this is huge news, just released yesterday, September 17th. And again, if you look at the AI crypto coin market cap, it's only $23.5 billion. So in my opinion, AI is one of the best narratives and sectors to invest your money in the crypto market. There's many different sectors out there. But if we've learned one thing so far this cycle, is that AI is hot and it will most likely continue to win. So the first AI coin that I do want to go over is BitTensor Tau, currently trading, let's go ahead and refresh this page, at $334 with a $2.5 billion market cap. And just to keep things clear and concise, what BitTensor is building is they are building a network made up of many different subnets to fulfill many different needs in artificial intelligence. Some will just handle data processing. Some subnets will handle language learning models. Other subnets will just focus on image generation. All right, and we can take a look at this tweet over here by this guy, Jack Miller. And he basically tweeted the other day, around a week ago, that there's a subnet on BitTensor that proves miners aren't using ChatGPT by making you answer illegal or politically incorrect questions. And as you can see, Elon Musk actually liked this tweet. All right, so Elon Musk is very aware of what BitTensor Tau is, as well as all of the different subnets. And you can see this guy in his pinned tweet. He says, Elon Musk liked my random reply about BitTensor and you're bearish. All right, so this is definitely something to note. Elon is kind of the crypto king in a way, and he does have massive pull over the market. So the fact that he has taken notice to BitTensor is definitely something to note, something exciting happening right now. And if we go look at Tau here on the daily time frame, we are looking pretty good here. All right. First of all, we have the Binance listing wick. Some call this manipulation, whatever you want to call it, but I use this to connect the first point of the trend line, and then I use the high over here from the 28th of August to make the second connection. And we are essentially breaking out above this trend line that goes all the way back to the all-time high on the daily time frame. So this daily candle will close in 1 hour. And the way it looks right now, if we can close above the previous week high, that is extremely bullish. What will be even more bullish would be a close above $365, right? This orange line up here, all of these previous highs. If we can get a daily or weekly close above this, I'd say where all systems go to start pushing towards the all-time highs on Tau. All right, if we do get rejected, we have some pretty nice levels down here. Really, anything below $275 is an absolute snag. Closer to 200 the better, but those times may be behind us. However, it still could happen, right? So be prepared, maybe have some cash on the side if you do get it, but nonetheless, not having any exposure to Tau would be riskier than having exposure right now, in my opinion, because the trend is up and we are looking at a major macro reversal. Now, we want to hold assets that are going to outperform Bitcoin and Ethereum, all right? So I like to look at the Tau ETH chart in order to see exactly what's going on here on the weekly time frame. This is Tau versus ETH. So currently what this chart is telling us is that 1 Tau will give you 0.14 Ethereum. Over here, back when I was buying Tau and first sharing it here on the Crypto Empire channel, in October, 1 Tau would cost 0.03 Ethereum. Again, right now it costs 0.14 Ethereum, 1 Tau. At its peak, it costs 0.24 Ethereum per Tau. All right, and this was like a 700% increase versus Ethereum. All right, so this is the main chart we want to watch because we always want to be outperforming Bitcoin and Ethereum. And as you can see here in the weekly time frame, we have a pretty bullish looking chart. All right, we have a series of higher highs and higher lows, and we are about to break a pretty key level here. Its first major resistance that it hit back in November and December of last year before a slight pullback and shoot up to all-time highs. Tau is now back at the level, also at the resistance trend line on the weekly time frame. So Tau versus ETH is looking very strong, and the goal here, the thesis here, is that 1 Tau will be greater than or equal to 1 Ethereum. All right, so this 0.14 should be 1.0 or higher when it's all said and done at some point in this cycle, and that's when we want to sell everything. All right, so that's what I see here on Tau versus ETH. Again, 1 Tau right now is going to cost you 0.14 Ethereum. The goal is to see 1 Tau net you 1 Ethereum when you go to sell it back into ETH or stablecoin, right? You want to sell high after you buy low. All right, so Tau, mainstay in crypto AI. The OG is FET. FET right now is higher in market cap at 3.5 billion. But nonetheless, I think both are going to perform well. I just think that Tau will outperform. But the Artificial Superintelligence Alliance should not be faded. FET, if you guys have been following the channel since 2021, you know that I was covering FET way back then. I was making videos as we were heading into the bear market. People would watch those videos over the bear market and leave stupid comments like, oh, this guy got it all wrong. Well, look at it now. All right, anyways, there's also Render up there with the top dogs. Now, I do think that some of these lower cap AI coins are going to perform quite well. I like this row of 3 right here. I like AGI, Based AI, as well as OXO. I think those 3 should be looked into. I also like these 2 right here, NMT as well as AI Tech, talking about building data centers and infrastructure. Look into AI Tech building out their data center in Bucharest, Romania. Definitely a project worth noting. Look into it on your own time. Other than that, there are projects like Spec, which are pretty bullish if you do ask me, but also Neural, Tau Subnet, definitely look into that one. All right, so DNX as well, talking about supercomputing data centers, etc. A lot of good AI projects here in the crypto market, and I do think a lot of them are underpriced and going to see significant rises to the upside, again, in either Q4, Q1 of next year. Exciting times ahead for the crypto market. We got FOMC today, 50 basis point rate cut, and things are looking up right now. Anyways, guys, just a quick video to break this AI news to you. Do not be sleeping on crypto AI. A lot of money to be made in this niche of the crypto market. Hope you enjoy this video. So in this video, we cover the breaking news that BlackRock and Microsoft have teamed up to launch a $30 billion AI fund to build out data centers and energy sources. This bodes very well for crypto AI coins because they're basically building out the same things with their projects. All right, so I hope you enjoyed this video and found it insightful. If you did enjoy it, make sure you give me some feedback by smashing that like button down below. And if you're brand new to Crypto Empire and you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, go ahead right now and smash that subscribe button down below and turn on all bell notifications so you don't miss any future videos. And my name is Connor from Crypto Empire, and I'll see you in the next video.